there has to be a way to get to this young man. And I think we may have found it. His baby mother was caught trying to smuggle stuff into him in her pregnant state. So we need to find a way to get next to her and convince her it's not the best thing on earth to be having a baby in a prison. We now know prison war done a Jubilee. I would normally say, well, you can't do it. Your methods are a little out. No. You might have to do it. Because you can't do it. You have already amply demonstrated that when you and a woman get into a discussion, them either dead or then take plane out of the island.
Sir, still you not getting information from Carlton because Carlton and Tony in a business. So you're supposed to get information from him, right?
Sure, but point, you know.
I see a coach a chair for you.
Sir, true. What should I do with him for? For a serious relationship or should I do with him for get information?
It's strange.
Mom, did Auntie Lopez go back to Jamaica?
No, she didn't, Nala.
So where is she? Thought she was staying with us.
Maybe she went to a friend's house for a few days. I don't know.
And she didn't tell you?
Auntie Bubbles is a grown woman, Nala. She doesn't have to report everything to me.
Okay, I just thought you were best friends.
We are. Go get ready. Remember, we going to Queens.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay.
Your mother turned up the other day, right? And during the new reacquaintance, did she ever mention who your father was? You sure you never named Savage? Because you're acting like him. But to answer your question, there's such a thing as overplaying your hand. You have to take time and get the information. Because if she, as far as Carlton knows, is in it for romance, she can't be too far into his business. So we have to be patient. Right, Mr. Savage? New kid on the block. All of a sudden, all of the youth them on the corner. I buy from you. I mash up everybody else's business. You might think about looking into that bag juice business you were talking about. Because, boss man, we don't want up this to turn into New Jack City before we know what's going on.
Sir, because of the marijuana progress, I see about 6 faces, and them not known in the community.
Anything else about them?
3 of them don't talk, never heard to them talk. The next 3, when I talk to them do sign language. And 2 out of the 3 we don't talk, we get pictures, but we need to get better pictures so we can do a face recognition.
Tell me something. Is them dumb, or them just don't want to have anybody hear them speak?
Based on my observation, them just don't want to speak. And on top of that, it seems as if them get orders say don't talk because the next 3 persons always talk for them, even if them have something to say.
Have you noticed anything strange about the children in the area?
Strange as in? Explain.
Them still playing the same old ring games. But some of them doing so in French.
French.
Hmm?
I'm not aware of that, sir.